Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Shen ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat yu lakam sensyara po ka jela kan saya kendo ban syong perkhat sani bat ban Ïasyllok janai ben pabin Shwa ban Weng no ya ka Tnat kam Pohïing nau James PK Sangma usembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba Presiden Tensong ha ka jinge kren bat ka Batesi TV ha ka live way tarik ukla lengkot arajar arpo ulaong bagi seng sain pertai ki baya trelang hapo ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kin saya perkhat lang halor kani ka kam bat ya thoru ba ka syongpat hau menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad Sangma ban shimkhia halor kani ka jingdawa ka balami na ki seng sain pertai beper Haka jo ka por ulay tho ba ondala day ka por ban bujli ya ki Tnat trekam negi portfolio Menteri rang ba hi un sale ya ka ei badon kam.
What I'm saying is CM, and since lot of lot of discontentment that has taken place and also has been lodged to the Honorable CM. So I'm sure CM will take a call on this seriously. Well, see, as far as reshuffling is concerned, by convention, you don't need to go to anywhere. CM has every prerogative to do the reshuffling. I told you once also. It is not that you have to sit down in the MD, because this is purely the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister. For me, the department is secondary. What we wanted is whether you give me printing stationery, or whether you give me border area, whether you give me anything. My bounded duty is to perform, to serve and to work. Not necessarily to say that Home Department or Privy Department or this department, that department, small or big. For me, my principle and my philosophy is any department is equally important for the state of Meghalaya. So we need to perform and we need to serve. But what I'm saying is, I am very sure CM has taken note on this very, very seriously. Let's see, whatever, but that's what I'm saying, the grievances aired by or colleague, partners. Okay, since I have replied that CM has taken note, this very seriously means, let us see, let us wait.